So hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for your request, I've finally made a video on how to pronounce some basic English sentences. For more videos, like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. So let's begin. Number 1. Hey Emma, good to see you. Good to see you. If you haven't seen a person for a little while and you see them suddenly, you say, hey there, good to see you. Number 2. Nice to meet you. This is what you say to someone when you meet for the first time. Nice to meet you. Number 3. How's it going? It's just a phrase which you can say instead of how are you. So if you meet someone, you can also say how's it going? Number 4. I don't think we have met before. Now you're in party, you see someone, you haven't been introduced to that person. You can go to them, extend your hand and say, I don't think we have met before. Number 5. Sure, sounds like fun. This is something you can say when someone suggests get together or a party or something exciting. You can say, sure, sounds like fun. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed, then like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel. Take care, everyone, and bye bye.